Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to create frequently bought together on Shopify store. It's a great way to improve your sales and enhance the average revenues of your business. Let's jump into it right now. Step 1. Install frequently bought together app. First, visit the Shopify App Store and type frequently bought together to find a Shopify app that helps you add bought together items in your product page. Now you can see a lot of Shopify frequently bought together app. Just choose the best one for your store. Here, I go for the with product recommendations. Just hit the install button to install it in your store. You should read the policies carefully and then click the install button again to finish the installing process. Step 2. Make required settings for the app. This app offers you a lot of advanced functions such as frequently bought, related products, manual recommendations, upsells, and more. If you just want to create a frequently bought together section, you just need to enable the frequently bought feature and then save it. Step 3. Create a frequently bought together section in your product page. From your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the online store section and click on theme. Now, you click on the Customize button next to your current theme. Once you reach the theme customization area, click on the drop-down icon at the top page and select Products to go to the product page. In the left menu, scroll down to the App section and click Add Block. In the new pop-up, select the app you want to add. For the purpose of this video, I will select Frequently Bought. Now you can see the frequently bought together section added in your product page. You can change its position by dragging and dropping it to the place you wish. Normally, it should be displayed under the main product description. You can further customize the items shown in the bought together section by changing their variation and size. After that, you can move to the next step. Step 4. Save and preview. Once you are happy with your changes, hit the Save button at the top right corner. It's time for you to see how it works on your store. Go to your store front end and choose a product. And here, you have it. The frequently bought together section is displayed under the main product section. If you click on the Add to Cart button in this section, all products appearing in this section will be added to your cart. And you can check your cart page to see if they are added or not. And that's it. You have successfully added the frequently bought together section to your store. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.